In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can change the clock size on your iPhone lock screen here with iOS 26 and future iOS updates. This is a brand new feature, so let's go ahead and jump straight into this. But before we do, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout the guide you do have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. So first things first, you are going to need to get on your lock screen, customize mode. To do this, just long press and hold on the lock screen. You may be asked to enter in your passcode or use Face ID, but once you're in edit mode, all you need to go and do is tap customize and it should look something like this. Now here is the important part. The clock size adjustment currently only works with the first font option. If you select another font, it's not going to work properly. This might just be a bug and it might work better in the future, so keep that in mind. And keep in mind that you'll still be able to change the color, but the font must be set to the very first font option, otherwise this is not going to work. But once you're on the correct font, look for the size icon in the corner and simply go ahead and take it and just drag it as much as you would like. And that's really all you have to do in order to go ahead and adjust the size. You can press and hold and also slide your finger up and down to just adjust that clock size. You can make it larger, up to half of your screen, or you could shrink it to be even smaller. It is completely up to you. Just whenever you're done, make sure you hit add to save your changes. If long pressing on your screen doesn't work, you can also go into settings and then just search wallpaper. And you'll be able to edit your wallpaper from here. But yeah, overall, it really is as simple as that. If you guys do have any questions, ask us down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. Before you leave this video though, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.